This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a short guided mindfulness meditation which will help you to prepare for your trading day or maybe help you to recover after a trading day. Mindfulness meditation is a brilliant way to clear the mind, to clear yourself of any unwanted thoughts, any emotions or any disturbing feelings that you may have. It can help to manage stress and it can help to promote a clear, calm mind, which is definitely going to help you when it comes to trading. So find yourself somewhere comfortable where you're not going to be disturbed, and we'll get straight into the mindfulness meditation right after a quick thank you to Skillshare who have sponsored this video today. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative people for a range of different topics, allowing you to either explore new skills or to deepen existing passions. Initially, I was most interested in the range of classes that were available under business, in particular trading. However, after exploring the Skillshare platform, I've discovered something unexpected: a range of classes about meditation and mindfulness. I enjoy practicing mindfulness as part of my trading routine to help me with managing my emotions whilst trading, and so these classes really appealed to me. In particular, How to Practice Mindfulness Meditation by Zachary Phillips is a great introductory class into mindfulness meditation, sharing what mindfulness meditation is, how it can help you, and the class also includes a guided meditation along with additional class projects. Want to try out this mindfulness meditation class for yourself? Check out the link in the description below. The first 1,000 people to use the link below will get access to a month free trial of Skillshare. See what you discover today. Take some time now to get comfortable. Sit back and close your eyes. Allow yourself to begin to breathe. Letting everything begin to slow down inside of you. Taking a little bit of time to just set everything aside for a while. All of the stuff that you've been dealing with today, all of the stuff that you've been processing. Taking a little time to really give yourself your undivided attention. Allowing your focus to begin to turn inward, paying attention to just the breath itself. Beginning to notice all of the sensations of breathing. The breath coming in through your nostrils. The expansion and contraction of the breath in your belly with each breath that you take. The feeling of air moving through you. Allowing the muscles in your body to start to relax. Letting whatever tension you may be carrying start to flow out of you with each exhale of the breath. See how much you might allow yourself to simply enjoy breathing. So as you breathe in this way, take a moment to allow your awareness to move down into that space of your heart center, allowing your heart to begin to open. See how much you can begin to let yourself turn toward yourself with loving kindness, compassion, and acceptance. Focusing on your heart, seeing how much you can simply come to rest in that space of your heart. How much can you let yourself be held in this way? Consciously sending yourself love. And at the same time, allowing yourself to receive that love. Allow yourself to feel accepted and held, feeling safe and calm in this space of your heart. Let yourself take a few more breaths in that space. Holding some sense of awareness of being present with yourself there. Take a few more breaths. Bringing your attention now away from the space of your heart and back towards the sensation of your breathing. Feeling the air flowing into your body, the expansion and contraction of your belly. Feeling the air moving through your body. Take a few more breaths. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes.